We're going to talk about accessibility reports. So one of the big questions that we've had in some of our earlier workshops was, do I have the ability to see the accessibility of my entire class rather than just one singular piece of content? And we found out that that is the case. We just have to enable that. So to do so, we're going to follow these instructions, and I'll walk you through on our toolbar. But this is in Blackboard in the course toolbar on the side. So let's go to Blackboard, and I'll show you how to do that real fast. So first, we're going to go down to course management in the bottom down here and go to customization. We'll expand that menu to see tool availability. Near the top, it's on the top for me, it probably is for you, but either way it should be near. We have accessibility report. We're going to make sure that's checked so it's available. Then we're going to hit submit to make sure that that change goes into effect. After that, we're going to go back to this bar over here, scroll all the way to the bottom to course management. And now we're going to expand the course tools menu. Once we have that expanded, we're going to select accessibility report. This should now be available to you now that you enabled that in the course tools. And you can see here, Val's got her score. Now, obviously, we've been doing a lot of these workshops, so her score is pretty high right now, but that's okay if yours is not. We are just trying to get better every day. She's got a breakdown of some of the content in her course, so you can see kind of broken down by file type, what's in here. Additionally, on the right-hand side, there's a little bit of a breakdown of ways that she can fix some of the remaining lingering issues in her class. Content with the easiest issues to fix. This big stuff that if you're just sitting down with a coffee early in the morning and want to knock some stuff out, this could be stuff that is pretty easy to knock out. This might be alt text issues, stuff like that that doesn't take a whole lot of brain power early in the morning. Fix low scoring content. This stuff may be a little bit harder, although alt text I think does boost your content quite a bit too. But this is the stuff that's really going to boost your score quite a bit. And then you can check out some of the remaining issues below as well.